So I'm on my way to Lowe's to try to get some wood and supplies to redo this closet because it's very annoying. Like, I really don't feel like doing this at all. Like, I don't feel like spending the money. I don't feel like lugging it to my car. I didn't feel like measuring. Like, I really don't feel like doing this, but at the same time, it's like in a really bad place right now. I know most people probably don't think that this is bad, but I can't even like move my hangers. Like, when I put stuff in there, it looks like this right now, like just all up and crazy, and I'm a little OCD, and yeah, I can't like keep looking at that. It's just like irking me, and I've been dealing with it for what, a few weeks or months now. So it's just time. I went to Lowe's and I was like, man, I'm not buying this expensive wood, but yeah, it's just like starting to really bother me. So I just went ahead and did the calculation so I can get that done because I can't take it anymore. So yeah, let me go ahead and head there. If I find some, wood that's decent, or that will, hopefully my goal is to just find one large piece or one long piece and then get them to cut it into thirds. But I know it's probably not going to work out perfectly like that. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out, but I'll let y'all know what happens. I know I'm about to be in here for like probably an hour just trying to calculate these pieces of wood, see which one is the best deal, calculate how many times they can cut off one piece of wood and all that. So yeah, this is about to be annoying. So I found this. It's only about 1.5 inches too long, so I'm gonna get a little bit cut off, but these are pretty much perfect other than that. And I found some pieces to do like the sides of the shelves too, so that's good. And they were only like $1.65 a piece, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get this cut. This is the wood cutting machine. Now the hardest part is to get somebody to come over here and assist me because it gets real lonely over here. Stuff. I feel like so crazy pulling this out here, like, because everybody's just staring at me, I guess because I'm a female, and then I don't just look like, I don't know, tough or whatever. But yeah, I should have just got a regular cart because this thing is like heavy. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. This came to $63, including all the wood and some nails, because I probably have to just, nail it together just to keep it like stable. So I'm gonna go back in here and look for some white paint too, because chances are I'm probably gonna paint this. Y'all know how I am, so what is up with my car door? Okay, so let me go, y'all, and get this in the car. Yeah, I hope that this thing turns out good and my clothing fits a little better in this closet. Alright guys, so here's the progress. I decided to just use this contact paper instead of painting them because this wood is pretty like raw, like it's a little textured, and I just want a smooth finish because I'm putting my clothes up against it. Now this wouldn't be like the ideal print, but it's cool. I mean, it's just a closet. It's gonna be covered by clothing anyway. So yeah, I'm just covering these. I had already, stacked it up and saw if the other one was gonna fit, but it's basically just this another time, and then I'm leaving the top blank. Don't mind this. I know it looks real crazy right now.
Sometimes you worry about the things he can provide for you. Whenever you around, I seem to come alive for you. I finally recognize the feelings that's inside for you. Although I know your man and trust me, he would die for you. He's quiet though, so you've been going on for years now. I saw you in the party, soft lips, soft spoken. I came to talk to you, but homie interfered now. He introduced you as his girl and I was heartbroken. Some people talk about that love at first sight shit. To keep it real, I don't know whether I believe it's true. But if it is, then tell me if I'm wrong or right, yeah. I fell in love with you before I ever even knew. I catch your eye and look away as if it never happened. At times I feel as though I'm caught up in a strange dream. If eyes could talk, then minds would tell you, then I'm feeling you. Sometimes I swear your eyes be telling me the same thing. She fuck with small town niggas, I got bigger dreams. She fuck with small town niggas, I got bigger dreams.
Saw what you did last night. Just go to say it ain't right. Constantly wasting my time. Tell me why? Can I be in that hoodie? I'm trying to get in that hoodie. I'm trying, right? Can I be in that hoodie? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to be in that hoodie.
Alright guys, so I am finally finished. I started this at 7:05 and it is now 11:05. So what's that, 5 hours? 4 hours. Yeah, and I mean, I definitely have more room, you know, so clearly that made a difference. I have some room even up here on this rack, all this and all this, so clearly that was an improvement from how I had it before, because it was literally no space. I even have a little thing up there now with some space, so maybe not the most aesthetic, but I can definitely see everything I have, you know, reach for an outfit and be out the door. So yeah, I'm happy with this.
Twerk this thing. Give you some of that hoodie. You know how these things go. Ready if you say so. Spread it like some queso. Tangled up on your way. Dreaming about you taste underneath your North Face.
I'm staring at you from afar. I'm wondering about you, like where you from and who you are. Cause you a star, no, not the type to snort the white line.